Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn vocabulary and context together, step by step. Hello again. Words in context isn't a vocabulary memory test, it's a clue reading test. The smart move is to cover the answer choices, read the sentence, and predict your own word that fits the blank. Then match the choice closest to your prediction. Letting context decide stops you from getting fooled by a fancy word that doesn't fit the meaning. Signal words steer the blank. Same direction words like and, also, and, because mean the blank agrees with what's nearby. Opposite words like but, however, and, although flip it. Read those signals carefully. Also watch for everyday words used in a second. Less common meaning, the SAT loves testing whether you can shift a familiar word's sense to fit the sentence. Try this one. Though usually shy, she gave a blank speech that stunned the whole room. The word, though, signals a contrast with shy, so predict something like bold or confident. Choice A is timid, but that clashes with stunning the room, so reject it. Choice B is commanding, which matches bold and confident. The contrast clue makes B the answer. Now a second meaning trap. The treaty failed to blank tensions, and the rivals kept arguing for years. Predict something like calm or ease. Choice A is measure, a real word but the wrong sense here. Choice B is temper. You may know temper as anger, but here it means to soften or ease. That second meaning fits perfectly, so B. Here's your vocabulary game plan. 1. Cover the choices and read the sentence for clues. 2. Predict your own word before peeking. 3. Honor signal words like but and however that set the direction. 4. Stay open to a common word's second meaning. Follow these steps, and words in context questions become some of the fastest points you'll earn. Great work! Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.